Good morning, I'm Thippawan, a customer application specialist. Today, I'm proud to present the Greener Giant Inverter Scroll for commercial air conditioners. Air conditioners for high-rising buildings need large capacity, energy saving, compatibility, and high reliability. These are the things that we need to carefully consider as well. High-efficient compressor is an important part in helping to increase energy saving. We are ready to go greener and be a part of your green building upgrade. Inverter technology is the answer to optimize capacity and power consumption. Since compressor with this technology can adjust its speed to match with the cooling demand, and the power consumption is reduced in proportion to the reduced speed, so the efficiency is greatly improved. Not only increasing in performance, but also eco-friendliness. We are committed to developing a greener product that is compatible with the low GWP and the natural refrigerants. As a leading compressor manufacturer, SEI has launched our brand new 128cc inverter compressor. A giant compressor works well with giant applications like VRF, chillers, AHU, and rooftop. It comes in a wider capacity range up to 25 horsepower or 65 kilowatts for commercial air conditioner, and it is compatible with R32 and R410A refrigerants. Flame compliant mechanism. This technology has been designed to reduce dust and leakage losses using two pressure chambers. The first back pressure chamber reduces leakage loss, and the second back pressure chamber reduces dust gas force between orbiting scroll and compliant flame, so input power is reduced. With flame compliant mechanism, SEI compressor will generate more capacity while using less power consumption. Giant 128cc comes with injection. This technology enables us to inject a medium temperature refrigerant gas into the compressor to increase flow and reduce discharge gas temperature. As a result, this will significantly improve unit capacity up to 35% and efficiency up to 20%. The injection valve automatically functions to minimize dead volume at partial load condition, resulting in a lower input power and higher unit efficiency. Model is designed with high-grade permanent magnets and a special rotor shape to maximize rotor efficiency and reduce noise. Also, the special design for dynamic balance and static balance, so it is running with low vibration. Giant 128cc with expandable capacity by plural connection. Oil sensors can be requested and built with the Giant 128cc for monitoring the oil level and communicate with the controller for instant oil return function in case that low oil level occurs. Another feature highlight is low oil circulation running state technology. We create the inside compressor gas flow that is similar to the flow inside an oil separator, resulting in less oil circulation in the air conditioning system. Since the capacity of the 128cc compressor is as high as 25 horsepower or 65 kilowatts, allowing you to use a single compressor in various situations. This will reduce the number of devices installation in the system, such as expansion valve and piping. This definitely helps you in less complexity. Not only the device in the system, but also the driver that will help you to save cost and installation space. Our Giant 128 cc compressor can achieve IPL with Class 1, and when comparing with two inverter compressors in tandem, we can get 8% better. For injection, we get 35% more for heating capacity and 20% more for heating performance. For reliability, you can trust our SCI oil management solution. We have the oil sensor that works as an eye to monitor and send signals to the controller if oil management is needed. We have the SCI patented high-efficiency oil separator for Giant 128cc, which has the maximum oil return efficiency up to 99%. Oil washing by discharge superheat control, the unique technique of SCI compressor, will return oil back to the compressor at any running speed of the compressor. We also have the piping recommendation guideline for Giant 128cc to make sure that piping will work fine in the actual running condition. If you are looking for less complexity and aim to raise your commercial air conditioner efficiency to the next level, our Giant 128cc inverter compressor is your answer. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much for the presentations. Right now, SCI is launching the new product, the Giant 128cc for the commercial applications, and it will reduce those complexity for sure. And for the first question here, with this one, so what is the minimum ET of the 128cc that can be operated? I think that they want to know if they will use our compressor in a very cold conditions.
And for the lowest evaporating temperature of our 128cc is minus 30 degrees Celsius. This approximated at ambient temperature around minus 20 to minus 25 degrees of Celsius.
Oh wow, that will cover, I think, almost all the conditions. That's quite low in temperature. So for the next question, right, so this one's about the driver side, because our 128cc is big. I mean it's big. So what is the driver side that will match it?
For the driver side is 60 ampere driver side. This maybe we can decrease the size of the driver. It's depend on the running condition of the compressor of the system. Yeah.
All right. So you can contact ourselves to help you with that for sure.
Yeah.
For the next questions, I think because of our 128cc is big. So what is the dimensions of the 128cc? Because I think they want to know about the installation.
Okay. For the shell diameter, is around 190 millimeter, and for the shell height is 636 millimeter.
Right. Not so big, right? So I think it will be not that hard to fit in the unit. All right. So, all right. This question is very interesting. the 128cc itself is big. So, but in case if we want to connect it as a tandem, what is the maximum numbers we can go?
We can connect it our 128cc as many as we can manage the oil level in the running compressor all time.
Oh, right. So it's not really about the number. It really depends on the oil management. As long as you can keep that oil level above the minimum level, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So, okay, for the question number 5. So, what is the maximum speed of 128cc? I think this answer will. I mean, you can give the answer to many areas. So, please.
The maximum speed is 120 RPS.
Right.
You know that our 128cc is large, the stock volume. So we need to keep running at the low and medium speed for higher efficiency.
Oh, right. So it is 128. No. It's 120 RPS for the efficiency, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for your answers. So again, if you have any further questions, just leave it in the live chat and see you with the next presenter. We'll be right back.